Welcome to this tutorial on creating a star delta starter power diagram in AutoCAD Electrical. In this step-by-step guide, we will carefully go through each step to ensure clarity and accuracy. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new folder where we will store our project files. Open AutoCAD Electrical, go to the Project Manager, and click on Create New Folder. Name the folder appropriately for easy identification. Now, create a new project. Click on New Project, enter a suitable name, and click OK. This project will store all the drawings related to our star delta power diagram. Next, we create a new drawing. Click on New Drawing and check the properties. In the Properties window, go to the Description section. In Description 1, type Power Diagram. In Description 2, type Star Delta. Check the format to ensure it matches your standard settings and then click OK. Now, we have our drawing sheet ready. Now, go to the Schematic tab and add multiple wires vertically. These wires will represent the power connections. Select the Multiple Wire tool and draw vertical wires at appropriate distances. We need to change the wire type to differentiate the phases. First, we will create new wire types. Go to the Wire Type Manager and click on Create New Wire Type. Name the first wire Red and set the size to AWG. Select the color red. Next, add a yellow wire, also 12 Reuben florins, and select the yellow color. Then, add a blue wire, 12 AWG, and select the blue color. Click OK to save these wire types. Now we need to change the existing wire colors. Go to Change and select Convert. Choose the red wire, select the first wire, and press Enter to apply. Repeat the process for the yellow wire by selecting Convert, choosing the yellow wire, selecting the wire, and pressing Enter. Finally, do the same for the blue wire. Next, go to the Multiple Line tool and add another bus wire. This bus will serve as an additional power connection. Draw it vertically and align it properly with the existing wires. Now, go to the icon menu and select a 3-phase circuit breaker. This breaker will protect the motor from overload conditions. Change its name, select Lookup, choose the appropriate rating, and click OK. The circuit breaker is now added to the diagram. Next, go to the icon menu. Then navigate to Motor Control and add a 3-phase overload relay, OLR. The OLR protects the motor from excessive current. Add a tag, description, lookup, and rating. Set the rating to 22A and click OK. Now, add the main contactor. Go to the icon menu, then in Motor Control, and add a 3-phase contactor. Give it a tag such as K and add a description such as main contactor. Click OK. Next, we need to add terminals for the motor connections. Go to the icon menu. Then Terminal and Contactors. Add a square terminal in the red phase and name it U1. Click OK. Repeat this process for the second terminal, naming it V1, and the third terminal, naming it W1. Once all 3 terminals are added, go to the Align tool and align them in a single line for a neat layout. Now, we need to add another bus wire for the delta connection. Go to the Multiple Bus tool and add another bus. Then, go to the icon menu. Add another contactor, change the tag to K2, and set the description to Delta Contactor. Click OK. Next, add multiple lines for the star connection. Then go to the icon menu. Add another contactor, change the tag to K, and set the description to Star Contactor. Click OK. Now, we need to connect the motor windings. Go to Wire and combine the R, Y, and B phases. This step ensures the proper power distribution to the motor. Next, add the motor symbol. Go to the icon menu, navigate to Motor, select the motor symbol, give it a tag, choose Lookup, and click OK. This represents our 3-phase motor. Go to the Multiple Line command and add additional wires to complete the circuit connect. Then go to the icon menu, select Terminal and Contactors, and add the remaining terminals for the motor connections. Add W, then repeat for V, and finally, add U. Click OK. Now, add the titled Power Diagram to the drawing. This helps in documentation and easy identification of the schematic. Finally, adjust the attributes to avoid overlapping. Go to the Move Attribute function, manage the attributes, and reposition them for better visibility. This ensures a clean and professional-looking schematic. Our power diagram is now complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one!